I will show you how to use FPS Unlocker Roblox. Search in your browser. Type Roblox FPS Unlocker, then click this web. Download this zip. Save the download installation file, then extract the file. Click the Roblox FPS application. After you install, the application is at the bottom right. You can set anything here. After that, try playing the Roblox game.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.